Hi, my name is Karina Larsen, and I'm with the Climate Technology Center and Network, CTCN, which is part of the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change. We are an initiative that has actually been started about 3 years ago, so we're quite young as an organization. But we were started to help countries access greater technology transfer and capacity building at their requests. And so the way that we work is actually that any type of entity within a country, a community, an organization, a company or a university or a ministry can place a request with us. And this request goes through a national focal point in each country. Once we receive the requests, we can help on a great variety of issues. It can be anything from agriculture to water, transportation, waste management, and energy issues. And in this area, we are working around the world now. After 3 years, we have about 160 projects going in 60 countries all over. And we work through a network of around 250 organizations spread all over the world. These organizations are companies and research centers, different types of groups that have expertise on all types of technologies. And we contract those organizations to come and help us deliver the technology transfer in each country. Some examples of projects that we've worked on before are, for example, in Bhutan. Bhutan wanted to upgrade their transportation system to use cleaner energies and be more modern. And as they started to work, we thought that they could learn a lot from the experience of Thailand, who's also gone through a large modernization of their transportation system. So together we brought Bhutan and Thailand, and we're able to look at some of the systems that Thailand is now using, some of the challenges that they face and the lessons that they learned. And in this way, Bhutan had some very good starting points when they wanted to upgrade their system. And we're now working on a second project actually with Bhutan to implement some of the things that they've learned and the prioritization of different technologies that they decided upon. In other areas, we're working on issues with steel, different types of industries, making those industries more efficient, more productive, and more competitive. And then everything from agriculture, from drought and flooding to improved efficiency, and also in terms of how to package agricultural products and export them in a more productive and cleaner way. And so we're finding that we're receiving more and more requests as the days go by, especially after the Paris Agreement was made last year, where countries made commitments about different ways that they wanted to start working on climate change. And as they start to look at how to implement these projects, they come to us to ask for specific help. And sometimes it's just on capacity building the ability within different sectors to actually meet these needs. In other cases, we can help with financing. We don't provide direct financing to countries, but we can help to create the linkages, or maybe to provide learning on how to attract private investment. And this is something we're doing in many countries. So one thing we look for now is we welcome requests from any variety of organizations and research institutes, universities, but we're also looking for strong partners to join us in our network to help deliver that technical assistance, to be part of this larger dialogue, meeting with government officials, and also to deliver the technical assistance. So the way that works is once we receive a request, we look to those network members and we actually provide the funding for them to do the work. So this is a good opportunity for companies and organizations who want to spread their work and share their knowledge in other countries, maybe places they haven't worked before, but where they have significant experience. So we encourage you to learn more about CTCN and to join us. Our website address is www.ctc-n.org. And you're always welcome to take a look at the types of work we're doing there and to be in contact if you have questions or interest in becoming more active with the CTCN.